How to create a new community on Tumblr. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a new community on Tumblr. So to create a new community on Tumblr is perfect for those who are want to make their own community at Tumblr, and like they want to like have like a community of single-minded or same people are in a community. So all we need to do is click on right here on the like here there's a like video right here, then next to it is like a two people icon. Press on that right there. Now all we need to do is create our community right here. So right now I think it is bugging a bit because there shows to be a create community right there. So yeah, I think it's bugging a bit, so just have to wait it out. So now, okay, wait, I'm gonna refresh it. See, sorry, refresh it. Oh wait, I'll see you guys in a few seconds. I think it's just bugging, so see you. And as you can see right now, I just fixed it, restart the app a bit, like 2 times. So here we see here, browse community, click on create. After pressing on create right there, you'll be located right here, relocated. Once you're here, you now create your new community. Put in the title, then there you go. Tagline, handle, the tags, upload an avatar, making it public or private right there. Maybe public, it will be allowed can join, new members can request to be invited, or new members must be invited to join. And content label, mature content or no content label. After doing that, click on create. So there you go. After creating it, you have your community. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns, leave the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here on how to rock it, guys. There you go, guys, and thank you, guys.